Hello everyone, let us solve for a in this exponential problem. 2 raised to power 200 is equal to a raised to power a. 2 raised to power the square root of 200 is equal to a raised to power a. The square root of 200 can be broken down into the square root of 2 times 100. Which can further be broken down by such as square root of 2 times square root of 100. Square root of 100 is 10, and this is root 2. That gives us 10 root 2. So I'm going to write this as 2 raised to power 10 root 2 is equal to a raised to power a. Let us express 2 here as square root of 2 raised to power 2. Since this is still the same thing as 2, so I'm going to replace 2 with square root of 2 raised to power 2, and we originally have 10 root 2 at the power, then equal to a raised to power a. By law of indices, we can open up this bracket using this law. A raised to power m raised to power n is simply a raised to power m times n. This will give us root 2 raised to power 20 root 2 is equal to a raised to power a. Also, 20 is equivalent to 4 times 5. So I will replace 20 with 4 times 5, giving us root 2 raised to power 4 times 5 root 2 equal to a raised to power a. This is same thing as saying root 2 raised to power 5 raised to power 4 root 2 is equal to a raised to power a. Now, root 2 raised to power 5 is the same thing as saying root 2 by itself 5 times and by grouping this in twos this way, root 2 times root 2 is simply 2. So we are going to have 4 root 2. So I'm going to replace this with 4 root 2. Then we have 4 root 2 raised to power 4 root 2 is equal to a raised to power a. And what this tells us is that a is equal to 4 root 2, which is our final answer for this problem.